Hey class, sorry for the late video. I was just on vacation with my family. My name is Emily Francis. I am a stay-at-home mom, full-time grad student. I have three little girls. I just had my latest baby in March. I am a military wife. I have worked with a lot of the students in this class, look very familiar, so I feel like I've worked with a lot of you before, and I'm looking eager to working with you this semester. The type of agency I'll be working at, I am working in the same district that I worked in for my first field placement. I worked in my first field placement at an elementary school. This year I am working in a middle school. I'm hoping to get a really good experience with telehealth. I With COVID and everything, my school is going to be virtual till October, possibly January. I will be working in person with students that are uh, SPED, have a 504 plans, IEPs, homeless that will be in the school because of those reasons. So I will be working with them, but virtually I will be working with counseling related services with my students. And I'm just excited to get that experience this year. This a field experience will be way different because it is more hours. I will also be teaching my own kids at home virtually, so I will be having that daunting task of working with my own students plus my kids at home and their teachers. It'll be a very interesting year for everyone. I know I'm not the only one who has kids at home virtually, so raise a glass to all of us because this is going to be interesting. But I am just really excited to have different roles and activities and client interactions with my students, especially virtually. So I wish everyone a good luck this semester. And once again, I'm so sorry that this video was posted late. I think we have till Sunday the first week, but I wasn't sure. I didn't have my computer. I just, self-care. That's the biggest thing with this position and this job. So also, I started my hours last week, so I've already been working for the week with my field instructor just to make up for this week. But anyways, okay, so I hope everyone has a good semester and enjoys their second year at field placement.